I don't know what the lap time is. Someone's timing me on the pit wall, but it feels properly fast. A lot of road cars just always feel a bit pathetic when you take to big, wide open Grand Prix tracks like Silverstone. Even on the short circuit at Silverstone, because the track's so wide and there's just so much space everywhere. But this thing still feels really quick, even around here. Stops beautifully.
Easy
It
with
goes
him.
really
He literally gives no shit.
What a motor. This is a lovely car. It really is.
So in the end, GT4 posted a time of 1 minute 3.2 seconds, which is a properly quick time for the national circuit at Silverstone in any road car. So how much faster
Winston.
than this could the GT3 RS actually go?
Tickler's coming.
I reckon that the GT3 RS will be between 3 and 4 seconds quicker around.